Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a clean and simple website for your local business completely for free. Even if you've never built a website before or you're not that good with computers, just follow along with this tutorial. I'm going to go step by step and I'm going to try my best to make this as incredibly easy to follow as possible. So let's get into it. So guys, what we're going to be using to build this completely free website is a software called Carrd. There are going to be some limitations though because it's for free. This should be good enough to get a clean and simple website up, nothing too fancy, just the basics. So I've linked Carrd down in the description below, so feel free to click on that link and follow along. Now, if you want something a little bit better than this, we build websites for you. It's $39 a month. That's about the same price as the big guys, your Wix and your Squarespace. We host it for you, we do the maintenance, and our websites are really gonna rank a lot higher on Google, so you can start climbing the ranks of Google and get tons more business. We know how to turn your visitors into booked calls, leads, appointments, and ultimately more sales and more business. We also have Google review automation, so every time you get a customer, you just tap one button and it sends them a link to leave you a Google review. So you're gonna get more Google reviews, you're ranking higher because of the website, and your website is bringing in more customers than you could even imagine. So again, guys, if you really want a website that's gonna level up your business, it's $39 a month. Check out the link below. I'd love to work with you. Now, your screen should look something like this. Go ahead and click this blue button that says New Site. Now, what we wanna do is choose a theme. So you can scroll through these themes. If it says Pro, then it's not free, and otherwise it is free. Now, the theme you choose is going to be dependent on your local business. Now, for my example, I'm going to do this for a garage door installation company, just as an example. I've been building a lot of websites for those companies, so I'm already familiar with it. So I'm going to go over here to landing, and I personally like this theme, so I'm going to select it. Basically how Carrd works is it's going to give you this drag and drop system, and we're going to change out all this dummy information for our information, and we're going to make the website our own. Now, there are 3 essentials for every local business's website, and your website needs to have those 3 things or there's no point of even making a website at all. So the first essential is your contact information and your hours. So right at the top of our website, we're gonna put the name of our company, our phone number, and our hours. So that way, as soon as people land on the website, they know exactly what time we're open and how to contact us. The second essential your website needs to have is your services. Obviously, you need to put what you do and for how much you do it. If you can put the price, if not, just put this is what we do. We do garage door installation, repair, and gate installs, for example. And the third essential for your website is going to be your service areas. Since you're a local business, the whole point of this website is to help you rank higher on Google and Google Maps, so that way you can get more customers and sales. Google wants to know where you provide your service. So if you work in Dallas-Fort Worth, it's important to put Dallas-Fort Worth in your website. Right here at the top where it says Untitled, I'm gonna put the name of our company. I'm just gonna put Yes Garage Doors. And then right after that, I'm gonna put our company phone number. So there you go, the first essential has been hit. Now, I also said that you wanna put your contact information and your hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this plus sign and grab this one here that says text, and you'll see it'll just pop another text bar right underneath. So I'm gonna write open 24/7 for emergency repairs in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So there you go. Right away, your website has your contact information, your hours, and a little bit about your service area right there at the top of the website. Now, the next thing we want to do is talk about what our services are. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. We're going to have to create a new section on the website for the services. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this plus sign again. And right here where it says container, hit container. And I just placed this container right here under this section and under this section. Right here on the side where it says default, I'm going to change that to columns. Now I want to do 3 columns for 3 main services. Like I said, guys, this website builder is completely free, so there are some limitations. It's not going to be as nice as a website that you actually pay a web designer for, so keep that in mind. Okay, so great, we have 3 columns. Now I want to talk about my 3 services, which is going to be garage door installation, garage door repair, and gate installs. In each of these containers, I want to have a title, an image in the middle, and a short description. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some text in each container. You guys can just follow along and do it kind of exactly how I am. Okay, great. So now that I've got this section built, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some images in here and the relevant text. So for me, this is gonna be my different garage door services. For you, this might be plumbing, electrical. Just put your top 3 services. This is huge for ranking higher on Google. What you can do for the images is just click on the image, go right here and hit upload. Right here at text, just put 2 to 3 sentences about the service that you're offering. So I'm gonna come back and show you what this looks like when I'm done. So right here, I just put our heading, yes, garage doors. And I'm gonna add an image right underneath of a garage door because we're a garage door installation company. So I would suggest going up here, clicking this plus icon, grabbing the image and just dragging it right underneath that heading. Right here to the right, I just put another little heading. Your local DFW garage door experts. I'm just basing this out of Dallas, Fort Worth for the example. And then I had ChatGPT actually write me some information for the website. And I just plugged that in right here. I just grabbed a text box, put that in and pasted in the ChatGPT and kind of adjusted the size so that it would fit. Scrolling down here to this section, I just put get a free quote. And I put an image of a garage door and you can see it has this cool kind of scrolling effect. And right underneath, I just put call us at this number to get a free quote today. And again, I just went to that plus icon, grabbed a text box and put that underneath. Now back to this section that we were creating, I plugged in all the images that we said and I added text underneath, just a description about each one. Now it is important in these descriptions to mention Dallas, Fort Worth or whatever area you're in. So that way Google knows, hey, these guys are in this area. We're gonna help them rank for that area. And then right underneath here, I kind of just did the same thing. You can see it's like a very similar section. Need assistance? We have 24/7 emergency help. And right in here, I just put our contact information, get in touch with Yes Garage Doors and our phone number and our email and that kind of stuff. Guys, once you're done, hit this save button. And I want you guys to put in the title of your website, a short description, and hit publish to a card.co URL. And after that, your site is live and you can copy and paste this link right on your Google listing and you have a website just like that, completely for free. It only took you 10 minutes. So guys, I just published the card website to its new domain. So let's take a look at how it looks. Now I'm just scrolling through it on desktop here and you can see it's a very basic website, but if basic is what you're looking for and you just want something completely for free that you can set up yourself, I think this is a great way to go. And then you can just copy and paste your domain into your Google Maps listing or your Google My Business or your Yelp page, wherever your website needs to go, paste that in and it will help you rank higher just by having a website, especially if you didn't have one already. Now, I'm also going to put a side-by-side up of the mobile view. I just screen recorded it on my phone and put it up here so that you could see. And you can see it looks good on mobile too, automatically. It might not be the best, but it was free and it's pretty fast too. So I hope this video was able to help you guys. If you want your own website built by us, click that link below. We're only $39 a month and we can get it done for you in a couple days. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Have a good one and bless you all. Bye.